Easy installation. Just plug it in the wall. Turn the button on the side. Hit the on button. Heat is coming out. However, regulating the heat is an issue. We've called the company, we've emailed. There was minimal instructions in the box, and according to the instructions, this is not working properly. It goes from 68 degrees to 88 degrees. And there's other settings that we have no clue what they mean. So I think we're returning this item.
Hi everyone, just for the sake of proof, this is the one that I bought from Amazon. It's still nice and small, and you know, I keep on this handy little table near my door, and I just wanted to show you guys what happened. And I found this out because I went to plug it in this morning, and I guess I didn't notice it when I took it out, but look, completely melted, burned up, and then this is the plug-in. You can see it, the light's not too good, but it's like melted and morphed, like it almost was fused to the socket, and there's like a hole right there. But yeah, this is obviously dangerous. So, and I know I'm not supposed to use it while I'm sleeping, but it happens, especially if it gets all nice and warm and cozy. I'm gonna fall asleep. So yeah, that's that. Melted up. Not good.
Got a wall heater. It goes from 90 to 60. Got a timer on it. The off button goes up, down, and then there's the emergency off button. I'm not gonna touch that. But it also comes with thermal control.
As you can see, there's an odd number. It says EL, and I'm trying to change the temperature, and nothing happens. If I do this, it's 5L. What does L mean? There's nothing in the instructions that talks about L. There's a 2L. I saw an H there. It jumps from 69 to 89 to 99.